3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Beatles, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Heart Club Band. What a great record. Anyway, so this song is cool. Like, we have all these bar chords, dominant chords. Major 7. Not major 7, but G7, we got A7, we got C7. So if we just learn one shape, we can just move them around and just, you know, for the verse and the bridge and chorus and all that stuff. Okay, so the song starts with an A7. So let's learn this shape. We got a bar, 5th, 3rd finger on 7A, and 2nd finger on 6G. So it starts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And move that up to 8th fret. And then 3. 2, 3, 4. So let's do that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, G. Okay, and then we have the verse, which is G, A, C, G. 2 times. Okay, so that's the first part of the verse, and then we have A to C, and then G, C, G. Alright, it's a good thing to write this down. There's a lot of moving around. So let's do that. 3, 4, G, A, C, and G. Yeah. Now, second part of the verse. A, C, G, C. Okay, and that's going to take us to that instrumental part, which starts on C, 2, 3, 4, and F, 1st fret, 2, 3, 4, C, and then D, and now we're at that big chorus, which is going to be G, B flat, so that's 6, and then 8. And on to C, back to G, and then we do that again. This time we're gonna go to A, to D, 10th fret. And then we have Sgt. Pepper's Lonely, C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 and like that C. Cool, and that's gonna take us to another bridge, which is C, to verse again, so back to the beginning. G to A, C to G, 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 A, C to G, ends there. So basically all downstrokes will occasional upstrokes. Okay, and let's talk through the song. It starts with A 8 times to C and then hit G. That part never comes back in the song. And then we have the first verse, G, A, C, G. G, A, C, G again. And then A to C, G, C, G. And then the bridge, C, 2, 3, 4 instrumental part, F, 2, 3, 4, C, and then D. And there's the big chorus. G, B flat, C, G. G, B flat, C, G. Right, and then we have D. No, A, sorry. A to D. And then the Sgt. Pepper only part. C, 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 G, 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 G. Cool, that's all the parts. Then it's a bridge and a verse after that. So yeah, just a lot of moving around and keeping track of where to put the fingers, right? All right, thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be safe, take it easy.